Hello everyone, welcome to our 30 days Python learning series. Variables and data types. In this lesson, we will focus on variables and data types used in Python. What is a variable? A variable stores information. Actually, it is a name used to store data in a computer's memory. Think of a variable as a labeled box where you can keep information and use it later in your program. For example, name equals RAM, age equals 10, marks equals 91. Data types in Python. A data type defines the kind of value stored in a variable. Python automatically identifies the data type when you assign a value to a variable. There are four common data types in Python programming: string, integer, float, and boolean. For example, name equals RAM, age equals 10, percentage equals 91.5, past equals true. You may print the values of all variables like this. Practice task: create variables for your name, school name, class, and favorite subject. Advanced data type in Python. List: it stores multiple values in a single variable using square brackets. For example, fruits equals open bracket, quote, apple quote, banana quote, mango quote, close bracket, print open parenthesis, fruits open bracket, 0 close bracket, close parenthesis. Output is apple. Similarly, you can change the index number and it will print the result. Tuple. It stores multiple values but cannot be changed later. Uses round brackets to store values. For example, fruits equals open parenthesis, quote, red quote, comma, quote, blue quote, comma, quote, green quote, close parenthesis, print open parenthesis, colors open bracket, 0 close bracket, close parenthesis. Output is red. Similarly, you can change the index number and it will print the result. Dictionary. It stores data in key value pair format. For example, city equals city name, New Delhi, country, India, population, 2 crore, print city, country. Output is India. Checking variable type in Python. Use the type function to check the data type of any variable in Python. For example, name equals Amen, age equals 10 marks equals 91.5, print open parenthesis. Type open parenthesis name, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Output is, in Python, every data type is a class, short form of string. In a similar way, you can check the data type of any variable declared in your program. Practice questions. Now it's time to practice what you've learned. Question 1. Create a variable for your name. Question 2. Store your age in a variable. Question 3. Create a list of your favorite games. Question 4. Create a dictionary with your school details. Question 5. Print the type of all variables. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning Python with me. If this video helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.